was a shadow in my own skin, brushed off the canvas, tossed in the wind. Every song I wrote just rang out hollow. No spark to light, no fire to follow. Then came the crash, the flood, the fight. The wrong words said in the dead of night. But in that noise, in that heartbreak's flame, I found a rhythm I couldn't tame. And I'm unfinished and unafraid, got ink on my hands and dues unpaid. Chaos carved me, rough and true. Now I paint in shades I never knew. I may be messy, wild, untamed, but I'm breathing deep, I'm back again. Unfinished, yeah, but unafraid.
Qualcuno è tossito?
So our Portuguese holiday took an unexpected turn. We had to visit the hospital for this little guy who broke his bone. He has a fracture on his bone. Ah, jeez. We are going to be telling it to him when he grows older. And it wasn't just him who broke his bone. It was broken by his brother. So we're always going to remind him that when Matteo is going to hurt him in some way. Anyways, lots of doctors who wanted to meet Matteo. But I have to say they all were really nice and friendly and professional. And even though we had to wait a little bit, it was still a pleasant experience. Not for Matteo, but considering the circumstances, quite pleasant.
Ti ha fregato, eh? Sono videogiochi. Matteo, le ossa rotte? Gaga ti ha rotto le ossa?
No!
Oh no, dove? Che osso ti ha rotto? Quale ti ha rotto? Culetto? No, ti ha rotto qui. Ti ha rotto il culetto? Oh no?
Sentite il Mauro. Un'altra volta.
Dall'altra parte? Ma che ti... piano, l'osso rotto. Matti, dov'è Gag?
No,
Dov'è Gag?
no,
Non lo vuoi cercare?
Chi?
No, non dov'è Gag?
È guardato sul letto.